my channel. So today I am back with a fashion try on haul from the website Bloomingjelly, and I'm super excited because I have a bunch of clothing to show you guys and try it out. I actually got this a few days ago and I've been dying to try them out and open them, so we'll be opening them and trying them out in camera, and I'm very excited. I'll leave you guys all the links to the products that I will show you in the video down in the description bar, as well as in my blog. So make sure you also check out my blog because I do have a lot of like pictures, details, and information on the products that I show in every video. So before we get started, I just wanted to say welcome. If you're new around here, don't forget to click that subscribe button and also click on that bell so that way you get notified when I upload new videos. That being said, let's move on to the video. So the first outfit is this beautiful pink dress, and I'm so excited that I actually ended up getting the pink one. I had originally ordered a black one, but they didn't have it in stock, so then I switched it to this pink color, which I'm so excited that I did because it's prettier than I thought. And it has this kind of like little slit on the front right here, which looks really pretty, and it just kind of buttons all the way down. And I love the length of this dress, you guys. This is so pretty. I paired it up with these Michael Kors sandals, and it has this kind of like spaghetti straps right here, but they're very comfortable. And also in the back right here, it has this kind of like stretchy material that kind of just stretches out. This dress is in the size medium, in case you guys are wondering. So this is the first piece. So this next outfit I totally love. It's more prettier than I thought, and I'm really excited because the quality on these dresses are amazing. They are really good quality, and they were very affordable. So the top right here is more like a crochet style, and it's really nice. It is a little bit like thicker, so it does have like a thicker material. So if you don't want to wear like a bra, you don't have to, because there's nothing see-through in this dress, which I really love. The back is absolutely gorgeous. It has like this strap that goes in the back, which I thought was really pretty. The bottom of the dress is beautiful, you guys. It's so summery and I love it. It does have this like lining right here, which is amazing, you guys. But definitely loved this dress. So next I have this gorgeous shirt that says Mama Needs a Vacay, which is great for today because today is actually Mother's Day. And the material, again, it's amazing. It's very thick material, very soft. Really love it, and I'm just wearing it and pairing it up with these like shorts and these bow slippers and my purse that I got for Mother's Day. But really like this shirt. I'm definitely gonna wear this a lot. So this next top is gorgeous. Look at the detail on the sleeves and then on like the front right here. This is absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty. They do have this on their website in the color black as well, but I thought that it's like summer and spring. I thought the flowers would just look better with the white. Of course, I would wear a like a strapless bra so you don't have to see the straps right here, but this is beautiful, you guys. It has like these really nice details all over. The colors are absolutely beautiful. I just paired it up with these denim shorts. Again, the same bow flats that I love, and then my purse that has like flowers, and I thought would match perfectly with this outfit. So next next I have this beautiful shirt, and I love this top right here. It has this beautiful lace detailing on the shoulder. Again, it's very comfortable material, and I paired it up with a pair of jeans and then these heels right here that I got from Macy's. So we're down to the last outfit, and I have this gorgeous top that is beautiful. It has like ruffles all in the shoulders. Very beautiful. Love this detailing. I love it when like the shoulders are like a little bit exposed. And this is in like this really nice light gray color. I think they had it in like black and I forgot what other color, but I love this color actually. Again, material is super soft. Very nice, and I paired it up with the same jeans and then the same shoes that I got from Macy's.
Back to how we were, we always do what we do. Don't let me stay.
So that was it, you guys, for my clothing haul from Bloomingjelly. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll leave you guys all the links and details down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.